vultures. There's another one over there somewhere. There he is. Just kind of cruising the thermals. Coming closer. See if I can keep him focused. Oh yeah. Oh.
David, are you going to be in the gay pride?
Yeah, pheasants. Yeah. It's like 5 of them. Here they go. Said those are my brother. Of course, down the road here, not by me. Man, they're. Come on, cannot line up. There you are. They're really close. Right here in the parking lot in Walmart. Field. Just let me see if I can get them. There we go. Just a feeding. See 4 of them. Making sure no traffic's coming. Yep, just sit there, just eating away. There's the white stick. So they should be right past down. There they are. Now there's quite a few, like 4, about 8 of them there. Yeah, looks like 2 groups of 4. 4 there and 4 there.